best? Okay. So before our PTA president, Ma'am Mary Ann, siya dito nagbulig sa akin because that time, nag-obra siya sa City Hall. And she endorsed my papers as Iloilo City Scholar and Congressman Raul Gonzalez Scholar. Okay, children, sila, muli ang naging paagi na naka-eskwela ako sa college. And I'm proud to share that through the help of my scholarships, determination, and of course, sa suporta sa ako ng mga ginikanan, sa pagpangita sa utangan, para mainumpiti ako bakit sa eskwelahan, nakalayo pa sa west nga daan. Now, I have become a teacher. Nga sa una, my dear students, handong ko lang git. Sa una, sa wala si Sir John, ako na yung nakagto sa tumakag tudlo sa classmates ko because gusto ko gidya maging teacher. Pero sa una, wala ko. Asala ko lang sa una, wala ko ginandong, wala ko ginandong maging manggaranon. Okay? Sa inyo din, sino nag-handong maging manggaranon? Oh, my nag-raise, yes, that's the spirit. Yes, you can. In a rightful and godly way. But in my part, yeah sila. But in my part, I see myself, sa high school pa lang kuya, I see myself as a compassionate, influential, and dedicated teacher. Because for me, teaching is a rewarding path. And gina-admire ko din ang akong mga teachers sa una diri sa Buntatala High School Extension. Okay? Because kung teacher ka, you can inspire and shape lives, others' lives, in powerful ways. Tunukan nyo, dear students. Sa una, ginaano ko lang, gina-foresee ko lang ang self ko, ana sa tubang, nga ako bi ang teacher. Sobrang tunukan nyo, naging teacher na kita ko. Okay? So this time, palakpakan natin ng ating mga teachers. Okay? So my dear students, I pray that you too will dream big, bigger than you can imagine, and pursue those dreams in a way that is both achievable and aligned with God's guidance. So sino sa inyo dire? O, magmangkot si ma'am. Sino sa inyo dire ang gusto maging teacher? Ay, dumagamay lang, isa, duha, tatlo, apat, lima. Oh, yapan ang iban. Okay? How about, sino din sa inyo gusto maging seaman? Hulay ni Ara, grabe, bigyan sa tutok. Magtasta, si Deya nga bayan. Sino gusto maging pulis? Yes, unang babae pa? Yes, may mga pulis, tama sa buong pulis nga babae. Doctor! Sino gusto maging doktor? Wow! Lawyer! Yes! Grabe, may lawyer, may future lawyer na. Nurse! Sino gusto maging nurse? Ay, kagamay sa sweldo sa nurse. Oh, mag-abroad ka mo. Pero, hopefully, mag-graduate ka mo as nurse. Nakuna din ang sweldo. Dentist! Sino gusto maging dentist? Wala, Jen? Sino naman kayo sa mga unto natin kung mag-abroad sa unto? Or basi wala lang sa batch nila, dire. Okay, my dear students, ang tanan nga handong ninyo matuman gid. Basta magtinuha kag magtuon gid sa maayo. Because if there's a will, kamo misupon? Louder! Again, if there's a will, ay louder please. Ay, Diyos ko, tunog pati huwag sa mga elementary sa inyo. If there's a will, there's a Kag tanan ina malabutan ninyo because matingwa lang dito mo. Kaya ang mga kupikado kan kamo, hindi upang ang kapikaduhon para malabot mo ang inyo mga handong. So, our theme for today's recognition is henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas. Generation of unity, partners for the new Philippines. Let us always remember that the success of a learner is supported by a loving, united, and encouraging community, one that embodies a collaborative effort to promote solidarity, progress, and development in the Philippines. This could refer to creating a new generation of individuals. Sino ang ginatungkol sini? Kamu na mga kabataan. Or groups who are united in purpose, vision, and efforts. So in our country, with a diverse culture and complex history, unity among its citizens is often seen as a key factor in national progress. The challenge for us now is this: let us unite and help one another so that our students, our children, may grow with excellence, wisdom, good character, and above all, with reverence and faith in Almighty. To those who are here right now, only with united spirit, collaborative effort, and grace of God, we can make this possible. And to our young learners, once again, congratulations, because you have made it this far. Keep moving forward and upward in your academic journey. May we have blessed and fruitful day ahead. May God bless us all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma'am Philomena, for inspiring our students with your eminent and invaluable experience. Awardees, you may take your seat. To give the certificate of recognition to our guest speaker, may we request the school principal, Mrs. Ruby A. Dumalao, and head teacher 3, Mrs. Maria Lourdes A. Macolada, Master Teacher 1, Mrs. Sharon S. Salado, to do the honors. The citation reads Department of Education, Region 6, Western Visayas, Schools Division of Iloilo City, Buntatala National High School, Buntatala Haro, Iloilo City. Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Annalyn A. Villamore, Teacher 3, Batch 2002, in grateful recognition of her invaluable contribution as the inspirational speaker during the recognition ceremony for the school year 2024-2025, with the theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. Her words of wisdom, success, and experience have left a lasting impact on our learners, inspiring them to pursue their dreams with courage and determination. Given this 15th day of April 2025 at Buntatala National High School, Barangay Buntatala, Haro, Iloilo City. Signed, Ruby A. Dumalao, Principal 1. Council Chair, Mrs. Jonalyn M. Brillantes.
Good morning, everyone. It is with great pride and honor to present to you the Grade 7 awards. Angelo Chonema Almarin P. with honors. Kubar Nikashin T. with honors Conduct Award. Quezon Jasmine P. with honors and Conduct Award. Conduct Award. Hanola Melvin B. with honors. Samuda Josh Abraham G. Conduct Award. Conduct Awardee and Girl Scout of the Philippines Award. Talagon Judgment L. with honors and Conduct Award. Bias Chris A. Conduct Award.